Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Kozo Creations. Welcome to the no bra zone, guys, here in cloudy gray Florida. I'm okay with that. Justifies me spending a little more time here in my happy place. I've got a Patreon group that I'm very, very proud of, and about every month to every 6 weeks we do a challenge, and this month's challenge, December, is landscapes. That's it. Landscapes. Any kind of landscapes. Mountains, seas, trees, collages, swiping, acrylic pouring, anything that you want to do, just do a landscape. And I was watching Art Whisperer 88, I believe, and he does some beautiful, beautiful prints. And he does what's called registering. I hope this is dry. So I'm real bad at this measuring stuff, but I think I got close. I have here a wood, what is this called? It's like a very thin art panel, and it's very sturdy. And then I got this little register thing, and what that does, it allows me to take and pull layers and line up my paper exactly right every single time when I get ready to pull the print. So I kind of measured. I also made a mark as to where my 8x10 Gelli pad goes, and I am using 9x12 mixed media paper. So you line that up like that, and I've got a really nice margin going around the whole thing, and every time I lay it down, it'll lay down in the same position. At least I hope. So I'm fiddling, I'm playing. I'm going to try to do a nice kind of monochromatic abstract landscape color. So I'm going to fiddle. I'm going to be using a small 2-inch brayer as well as a 4-inch brayer. This is an 8x10 Gelli pad plate, and I am using mixed media, Strathmore mixed media, 9x12 sheets. And I've also got, when it's done, I've got a nice mat here, and I'll probably frame it. Here's one that I did recently, which I absolutely love. It's going to be kind of hard to see with the glare from the windows, but yeah, very cost-effective way. These frames right here from Amazon are a heck of a lot less expensive than gallery wrap frames, and the mats just kick it up a notch. So that's what we're attempting to do. I'm playing today for a future go-round with my patrons at the end of this month for the landscape challenge. I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's get fiddling.
Old days, I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much, until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space, forget the world outside just for a while. Some way we will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way. We will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. No one's perfect, but we are perfect together. Oh, together. Old days, I used to think I'm the problem, that I was way too sensitive, reacting way too much. Until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way. We will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days. Now that we see each other, can we slow down, start over? Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way. We will be fine, safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. It's perfect, but we are perfect together.
It's the next day and these guys are dry and I'm loving on them. I love all the neutral natural colors, and just so happens today I got a goodie box in the mail from sweet Tomasina from Paint in Your Eye. I will put a link in the description box on her social media on Facebook, and I believe she's also on Instagram. But I love this girl, and she spends a lot of time making quality papers with quality inks, and she just warms my heart. And I joined her monthly group where once a month I get a little box, and in that box are her homemade goodies. And I want to show you what I recently got. Look at these. They're so delicate, so lovely. Tomasina, I don't know what this is. Is this polymer clay, or did you actually take Phillips head screws and cut them in half? But they're painted and they're distressed and they're beautiful. But look at these lovely things that she made by hand. I love them, and they're going to work perfectly on my collages. So these are absolutely gorgeous, all made with love. Let me show you some of my favorite things though. This is her rust paper. I mean, how delicate and glorious is that? Is that my jam or what? And I believe here's one right here that was done on some Kozo paper. I actually have this paper, but she rusts them, and I don't know how she does it, but I don't want to learn because I'm in love with her rust papers. Those came in this wonderful little envelope that she made, which I will also utilize. A little thank you from her. And then look at these guys. These were a special request. Let me get them over here to you. But all these beautiful, beautiful papers. Look at this with these wonderful sayings on them. So, Tomasina, paint in your eye. Tomasina, I love you, girl. And I am just elated with my goodie box. And I can't wait to put some of them to use, which I'm going to do on these collages. Let me get all this out of the way and we'll get busy with phase 2, guys.
I've been waiting around for you. Why did you take so long to come to me? Maybe you were waiting round for me too. So I feel you're some kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed all just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream, the things that you said. Tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter's snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I've known that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on.